Hello, my friendly travelers out there. Olivia here, and you are watching Your Travel with Olivia, the channel that's going to be bringing you news and advice on traveling smart, safe, and also with confidence. Today, we are going to talk about packing because I have just finished a 2-week vacation after attending my youngest daughter's wedding here in sunny California. And from there, we did a lot of traveling and trekking with the family, had an amazing, awesome time. And now the journey has come to an end and I will be returning home. Of course, on the trip, I've picked up quite a few other items. I tell you, the next time I travel, I'm traveling with an empty suitcase so that I can shop to my heart's content and I will have a full suitcase by the time I go home. Over the course of traveling so many times, I have tried to simplify my packing, and I've come up with this awesome packing storage where you put everything in a shelving unit and it fits neatly into your suitcase. I love it because when you reach your destination, you just pull it out of your suitcase and just hang it up. It's so efficient and so easy to keep everything organized. And then when you're finished and ready to go home, you just, again, take it off and put it into your suitcase. Easy peasy. I love it. It's one of the best things that I have purchased, and it makes traveling and packing so much easier. So that's it, pretty well. And then what you do is you just pack everything around the corners, little odds and ends and that basically takes care of all your packing. Of course, my biggest challenge next is to try and pack in a carry-on. Still have not accomplished that. Don't know if I ever will. But it's a goal. It's definitely going to be a goal. Anyways, that's it. I just wanted to bring that little quick tip to you about packing and making it as easy as you possibly can. If this is the first time that you are visiting with this channel, please consider subscribing because I am here every single week bringing you little tips and advice on traveling. I look forward to seeing you again next week, and until then, wishing me a safe trip home, as well as you in any of the journeys and the trips that you make in the future. Bye-bye for now, and we shall see you shortly.